In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin chats in Claude AI. If you've starred a conversation to keep it handy at the top of your chat list and now want to tidy things up, unpinning is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through the exact action and share a few helpful pointers so you know what to expect. First, open your sidebar chat list or jump into the specific conversation you want to unpin. If you're already in the chat, you'll typically see a star icon near the conversation title. If you're in the sidebar, look for the star next to the chat's name. A filled or highlighted star indicates that the chat is currently pinned. If the star looks empty or outlined, that chat isn't pinned, and there's nothing you need to change. Now, to unpin it, simply click the star icon again to toggle it off. That single click removes the star, which means the conversation is no longer pinned. You'll notice the visual change right away. The star should switch from filled to unfilled, and the chat will drop back into your regular list rather than staying at the top. Depending on your view, it may move into chronological order along with your other messages. A quick reassurance here. Unpinning does not delete the conversation, its content, or any attachments. It only changes how prominently the chat appears in your list. You can still open it any time, and if you decide you want it at the top again later, you can repin it by clicking the same star icon to toggle it back on. If you don't immediately see the star in the sidebar, try hovering your pointer over the conversation name. Some interfaces show the icon only on hover. On touch devices, opening the conversation first usually reveals the star near the title. If nothing seems to happen after clicking, give it a moment for the interface to update, or briefly switch to another chat and back to refresh the view. That's all there is to it. Open the chat list or the conversation, click the star to turn it off, and the conversation will no longer be starred. Keeping your pinned list lean can make it much easier to focus on your most important threads. And remember, it's fully reversible, so feel free to adjust your pins as your priorities change. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Claude AI.